Hello, welcome back. Welcome to a not so sunny Zakopane. Yesterday we were travelling all day, so we flew into Krakow and then got a bus that took like 2 hours to Zakopane, so we didn't get here until about 5-6 o'clock in the evening. So we were knackered and then we just walked around and got food for today, because today we are going on a hike, which is like the main reason we came here. The main reason most people come here is to go on hikes in the Tatra National Park. So we're doing Morskie Oko today, which is known as like the eye of the sea. So enjoy.
On the floor, looking up, wanting more. This is so unreal. I must have been wrong, 'cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not be? He's always there for you. Swept my feet off the ground, left me on the floor. Hard to resist, got me looking like this, like no one before. 'Cause I must be strong, 'cause this might go on for long. 'Cause I was wrong, and he's always there for you. See, I must have been wrong, 'cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not be? He's always there for you. I keep living alone.
Hello again. We had a nap, a very long nap. Oops. And now we're going out for dinner. We're having kebab.
Or pizza.
Or pizza. Then we're going to the upside down house and then probably go around all the shops. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. My feet are killing. Are your feet killing?
Not
My
far.
feet hurt. They hurt. And everything's wet, so couldn't figure out how to work the radiator, so we're hair drying all our clothes dry. English? I don't know. Who knows? So yeah, stay tuned to find out what we have for dinner.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.